What? Yeah, a 1, 2. Yeah, let's ride. Yeah, I'm embracing the grind. It's no glam, just like a fur coat. Known to rap circles, all you Urkels getting furloughed. Living by a creed, I'm a chameleon.
Guys, this is tiny balloon.
Recording. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Blow.
Make a wish.
Honey, make a wish. You just already blew it out.
That face.
Yummy.
Alright, time for some ice cream.
Here. How do you spell delicious?
I got you.
Delicious.
What? You don't like sugar? You don't want it? You like it?
Yeah. I like it too. M-O-M-S.
Moms.
Be careful, the camera's right there. You're gonna knock it over. You gotta be careful.
Tiny high five. Are you ready for kisses? Yeah, you sneaky little devil. Whoa! Oh, what is it? Woo-wee! You want what?
Double.
You want adobo?
Yeah.
Elani, what do you want?
Adobo.
You get adobo. You get adobo. You get what?
Adobo.
That was it for today. Happy Saturday.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm embracing the grind. It's no glam, just like a fur coat. Known to rap circles, all you Urkels getting furloughed. Living by a creed, I'm a chameleon, but I'm cutthroat. Chunking up the deuce, they try to catch up, but they lungs broke. I'm counting blessings, I'm looking way past shade. See, I'm trying to rap large with lights behind me like a high-speed chase. And it's a cold world, thriller like it's Ali Frazier. And now I'd rather be lost in space. I'm only worried about health and the love for myself. Don't let them knock you off your heels and leave that tension on the shelf. Toss away up all the bumps and the props that I was dealt. Visualize the bounce back, I'm channeled way beyond this realm. Clear the fog in my scope, I'ma take you on this trip right now. You riding waves, I ride drums, won't let this tide dry out. So cut the hoopla, got a roof side, flip it inside out. I know that wave impressing, but don't let that groove ride out.
We gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Grab me some Jamie on the corner, cause about to call off. Taking a expedition, my mission's to get lax. Predicting that me and Kuzley some people beat on the track. Indeed, coming with the summertime vibing all the way to the bay and back to the 9th island. Hey, I'm not surprised that you never heard of a duo that can take it to outer space and travel it back down to Pluto. What the fuck do you know? A couple of cool bros, putting some smooth flows, minus the loopholes, gave you some puto. I'm talking to Fujo, that Matita baby, making Filipino in my blood and I'm rhyming, I'm just playing. Hey, a couple of jokes, a couple of beers to pass the time. We taking the tools and making the most when we combine. I'm letting you know that we gon' take it to the pedestal. Hey yo, cool, turn down the decimal. Yeah.
We gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. We gon' ride it till the wheels fall off.
Yo, it's been a minute, man.
We gon' ride it till the wheels fall off.
Why don't you drop that shit?
Alright.
We gon' ride.
Go.
From the 8th to the 9th island, still eating ramen and listening to Kiahi vibe. You know the vibes, diamonds in the vinyl. Addy by my side, so I'm never getting tired. I'm wired up to survive every buddy, shut the fuck up and listen when I arrive. Reconstructing dope that make you cut another line like a bitch that ain't worth out of sight, out of mind. Truth can only set you free if you find it. Blinded by entities, not necessary referee, it's only energy. You'll rise above the pedigree and then we'll let it bleed. Please don't ask me how I'm feeling about the vaccine. Slaughter y'all's nasty, kinda like my 4/4 flow. Cold as the 44, older, so it's time to stack my money more. You'll turn myself into a reservoir, tapping into something that you can't ignore.